Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX update failed issue on ShareX in 2026. So if ShareX won't update, gets stuck during the update process, or shows update errors, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent ShareX from downloading update files properly. Next, close ShareX completely before trying to update. If the application is still running in the background, the update process may fail. Now run ShareX as administrator. This gives the updater the permissions it needs to replace files and install the latest version correctly. Next, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software blocks update downloads or prevents installation files from being modified. Now check if you have enough free storage space on your system drive. Low disk space can stop updates from completing successfully. Next, clear temporary files from your computer. Corrupted cache or temporary data can interfere with software updates. Now try updating ShareX manually by downloading the latest installer and running it directly over your existing installation. Next, make sure your Windows version is fully updated because compatibility issues can sometimes cause update failures. Now restart your computer and attempt the update again after rebooting. Finally, if the update still fails, uninstall ShareX completely and install the newest version from a fresh download. And that's it. You've successfully fixed ShareX update failed issues. Now your application should update smoothly and run the latest version without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.